Do you want free parts for your GY6 50cc scooter? Hi, my name is Jeremy Vinup. I'm the owner of J&J Power Sports. And the other day I was going for a ride and I come down this great big huge steep hill with tons of speed, going back up the other side, and guess what I heard? Pop. My belt had just broke on my scooter. Now, as I was pushing the scooter back up the hill, which it seemed like it had grown twice the size as it was when I was driving down, with my legs burning and my lungs on fire and sweat pouring off my forehead, I had an idea. Everybody needs backup parts. But honestly, who wants to buy them? Who wants to pay for something that you already have that's working totally fine? I sure don't. But so here's what we're going to do. Here's what the idea I came up with. We are going to give away a free belt to every single person who wants one. All we ask is you pay the shipping and handling fee on it. So if you would like to have a free belt, we'll ship one right out to you. All you have to do, complete all your information on this page and we'll go ahead and get a belt shipped out to you. So if you want one, go ahead and complete your information right now.